Okay, guys, welcome back today. Welcome back today. Welcome back today. So, today, what we are here to learn is how to convert a document from Word to PDF. Yeah, at times we have challenges, especially students, their lecturers or their instructors will tell them, please, I need the working PDF, not in Word. So, if you find yourself in such a situation, how are you going to resolve it? Because we always take it to people to fix it for us, but you can sit in your house after you're done with your work, you can do it yourself. So let's dive in. I have this particular document here named Cameras. It's a Word document. Just open it. So let's wait for it to open. Alright, so this was a document that I was just I did some time ago for cameras for particular project. So as you can see, so I typed everything, I edited everything. That one I'll dive into it later on and show you how I did the editors. Yes, as you can see, it's well very nice. I edited it very nice. Let me go to correct this. Okay. So that is the same. So just ignore it. So that's the red line. You're going to engage with research channel. That's how you are supposed to go about it. Yeah. So there's my document. Very nice. An appealing document. Yes. So since I'm done, I want to get this document in PDF. Yeah. That is the whole game to publish this in a PDF. So and you can see on the tab we have insert, design, layouts, preferences. Actually, Word has a lot of options. Word really has a lot of options. The review, the views, and the help. Yes, but in this case, which we want to turn this document to a PDF, we will go to file. At times people make mistakes. They'll go to home, then they'll be searching, they'll be using the search bar and stuff to be searching for PDF, but that one it won't work. Yes, so you just head on to file. As you can see, these are files that I already know. Then if you go to save, so that one to just see maybe you've done some corrections. Let's what I did in this at this section. In this section, it will just save it. So I don't want to save it permanently. So if I don't want to save it, I just do when do, and then it will go back to us how it is. So to make it PDF, as I said, when you click on save, it won't work. So you just come to save as. Then you choose a location. So in this case, we will be choosing desktop. Yes, this is the desktop. Some documents or files on the desktop already, as you can see. So this is the Word format of this document. Save as type. Guys, pay attention to this part. The save as type. Click here. As you can see, if you want to save it in, it's already in a Word document, in a macro, like a Word template, a whole lot. As you can see, there's a lot of options that you want to save the file in. But in this case, you want to save the file in a PDF. So you just click on PDF. So as soon as you click on the PDF, you see everything will change. Optimizing for standard, minimum size, publishing online. So you just use the standard version. Then these are the two save as options. Then click on save. As soon as you click on save, this document will be changed from a Word format to a PDF format. So let's see, guys. Let's wait for the magic. As you can see, it's now loading. So we have our PDF file here. So this is our PDF file, 2 pages. Everything is intact. Everything is intact. The same thing as it was when it was Word. As you can see, this was the Word format. This was the Word format. And this is a PDF format. Yes. Thank you very much. At least I taught you something today. You have a nice day. Bye bye.